Hi guys, welcome to Further Info channel. Today I have TECNO Spark 20 Pro and I want to show you how fix the problem when your game not visible on your Google Play Store as in my situation. First step to do that, we must go back to the main menu of our Google Play Store where we press on our photo on the right corner. In it, settings, family and parental control, which is on, and we have PG3. To visible games and applications as Mobile Legends games or something like this, we need more than PG3. To change it, we press there. Now we must enter connect pin to our parental control. And there we press on PG60 maybe. Confirm by got it and save. We can also turn off our parental control by switch off. Now it would work and our game will be visible. We can search it and we can install it. That's all. Thanks for watching. Bye.